Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix error code NP-31730-4. First, let's ensure your network connection is stable, which is the most common culprit for this message. We'll start with basic troubleshooting, like restarting your console, a simple step that often resolves many issues. This quick check sets the foundation for more advanced solutions if needed, helping you get back to your activities swiftly. A simple yet effective first step is to restart your home network equipment. Go ahead and unplug your internet router and modem from their power outlets completely. Wait for about 60 seconds, giving them enough time to fully discharge. Then, plug them back in, allowing both devices to power on and re-establish a fresh connection. This process can clear many temporary network glitches. Next, let's refresh your console's understanding of your network. Head into your console's settings and find the network options. If you're using Wi-Fi, delete your existing network connection details entirely. Then, set up a new connection, selecting your Wi-Fi network again and re-entering your password precisely. This ensures your console establishes a clean, new connection to your home internet. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked to your liking, carefully drain it using a colander. For most hot dishes, avoid rinsing the pasta with cold water. The remaining starch helps your sauce adhere better to the noodles. However, if you are preparing a cold pasta salad, a quick rinse with cold water can stop the cooking process and prevent the pasta from sticking together as it cools, giving you distinct individual pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.